Hello, besties. Welcome back to the channel. I want us to have a heart-to-heart talk today. Today is not going to be, script reading. I'm going to really talk to you guys today, right? AI is taking over. AI training jobs is taking over. You guys are busy looking for remote job, customer service job, data entry jobs when you can start AI training job. Guys, I don't know what to tell you people that you come to the comment section to ask me, how do I start without experience? How do I do this without experience? You don't need to have experience before you start training AI. It can be data annotation, it can be labeling of images, it can be prompting, it can be checking AI responses and correcting them. I've introduced you guys to so many platforms. All you needed to do was to create a profile, get yourself a CV, get into that platform first. All right. If it is about payment method, search on YouTube. There are other people from your location who have managed to, receive their payment from these platforms. I cannot do all those jobs. I cannot do all the jobs for you. I cannot do my research, bring a platform, still do my research to show you how to get your money. I'm not doing that. But instead of waiting for the perfect remote job, grab this AI training job opportunity now before it goes away. On that note, I have another platform to introduce to you today. I haven't tried this one actually, but I've seen some nice reviews about it on YouTube. And we are going to sign up together. Okay, I'm going to walk you through because I myself want to sign up as well. So I'll walk you through the sign up phase. We'll do it together. Then I'll also update you guys with a community post if I'm accepted into the platform. All I want you to do is to also drop a comment for me whenever you're accepted into the platform. Guys, don't sleep on these opportunities that I bring here. Do not sleep on it. Get a CV. Even on some platforms, you don't need to upload a CV to get started. Help yourself, okay? Help yourself. Stop complaining. Just get up and do something for yourself. Anyway, before I go there, like this video. I see that a lot of you watch my videos without liking. Like the video, drop a comment letting me know if you have ever applied on this one that I'm going to share with you today, or it's your first time hearing about them. So let's go there. If you're a newcomer, kindly subscribe to the channel. It helps us to keep bringing you more videos like this. So let's get started. The AI training platform is called QuikrSignal. I don't know if I'm getting that pronunciation correctly, but it's QuikrSignal, as in QUIKR Signal. It's QuikrSignal.ai. So I'm going to go straight to their careers page. So you come here, it says join us in building the future of AI. It says join us in building the future of AI. At QuikrSignal, we are building AI systems that amplify human capability and transform how companies discover, evaluate, and hire talent. Our platform combines artificial intelligence with human insights to create faster, more effective hiring experiences for organizations worldwide. So clients come here to hire talent like yourself to work for them. Okay, it's easy to navigate, straightforward. They hire from all locations. Their work spans geographies, industries, and cultures. Okay, so you're going to click. Okay, let's look at how it works before we go there. So people come here to hire talent, like I said. This is how it goes. They come here to hire talent. They will register here on this link, get candidates, they will register, and then they will screen you to make sure you're qualified to work for that company. You can also explore the interviews. I was going through these interviews today. Most platforms use AI to interview workers. Okay, most platforms use AI to interview workers. So feel free to watch these interviews at least to be safe when it gets to your turn for the interview, in case they call you up for interview. All right. I know some of you will do better than these people here. I was listening to some of the interviews. Even the English is not Englishing well, guys. So don't be scared. Don't be scared. Check it out. Listen to the interviews. Okay, I will not continue because of copyright. I don't want them to copyright my video. However, feel free to listen to these interviews. It's an AI that is interviewing these people. Okay, AI interviewed candidates ready to hire. Sign up to get tailored matches or launch custom AI interviews. So once you're interviewed, you get hired, but it's not a must that you'll be interviewed. So to get started, click on for candidates, get create global jobs and projects. Submit a single application. Apply to 1,000 of companies. Okay, so if you don't have a CV yet, I do have a CV, but I will skip it. If you don't have a CV, if you don't have a LinkedIn, I'll skip it for now to fasten this application. Then you sign up with your email, password, and everything. I'll do that and come back. So I've been able to create my account. It has sent a code that I need to enter to verify my email address. So this is a one-time code. I've been able to enter it and verify my email address. I noticed that a lot of you will sign up without verifying your email, but you just be stuck somewhere. You need to always verify your email address if you're asked to verify your email address. Make sure to do that. Do not leave your sign-up phase halfway. Make sure you complete it till the end. Let's continue. So this is my dashboard now. Now they've said they have practice interviews, previous practice interviews. You don't have any practice interviews yet. Choose an interview from our pre-designed interviews below. Okay, so they have 30 minutes, assistant manager, freelance image, full stack general, Hindi language, 30 minutes. This is a joining interview for assistant manager if you want to go for this position. Please ensure you are in a quiet place with a stable internet connection. Make sure both your camera and microphone are working. If you can see yourself in the video preview, you're good to go. If not, try selecting a different camera from drop down below. So guys, if you actually want to start working immediately, I think you need to come and sign up on this platform. You need to come and sign up on this platform. You need to do what, depending on the one you want to go for. Okay, so this one is a practice interview. You can practice interviews here. They have a lot of them: software verification, sales development, product manager, and more. And here it says, or make your own interview. So to make your own interview, yes, this is what you need to actually do. Create your own interview with the details of the role, the actual role you want to do. Okay, the actual role you want to take on should be your practice interview. You put it there, your role, your experience level, duration. Then you add anything else you want to specify for the type of interview or the role you're practicing for. Okay, so it can be 5 to 20 minutes. So for those of you who are seriously looking for jobs that are on my neck, you guys are on my neck, come here now and sign up. Create your own interview, finish it, so that you start getting jobs. So this one is real interviews, practice interviews. Okay, and this is my account. I haven't finished, so I need to update these informations here. I need to update my name, phone number, city, country. As you can see, all countries are here. Nigeria, you guys are giving me headache. Nigeria is here. Are you interested in permanent jobs? Yes. Are you interested in freelance work? Yes. Put your time zone, West Africa time, Lagos. Then choose your city, put your phone number. You guys are actually here. You are here. So I'll skip this one again as well, because I'm not in Lagos. I'll skip it. So feel free, not even feel free, make sure you complete your profile 100% before you can start getting any job at all. Here's my dashboard. Here's my account. I need to complete this information. Set yourself up, explore interviews, like I said, check how it works and get yourself ready. There's someone I saw that said she actually got a job here, which I'm going to complete this information later and see how it works, whether it will work for me. Okay, but yeah, this is as far as I know, and I'm trying it out the same way you're trying it out yourself. That's how I'm gonna try it out. Feel free to update me in the comments, guys. Let me know your thoughts. So one thing with me is that any platform I see online, any AI training platform I see online, I am absolutely applying for that one. That is what I do. But I don't know about you. Are you waiting for that perfect opportunity before you apply? You're wasting your time. So what I do, any platform I see on YouTube, on Google, I'm definitely sending in my application to try them out. Because how will I find out if it works if I do not apply? This is how I find out, by applying. Because you guys keep asking me, does this one work? I will not be able to know, because it's not all of them that I will apply to, right? So it is by you applying, it is by you clicking the link in the description, applying, filling in your details, adding your CV, and getting started. That's how you will know if it works. But let me just tell you guys, AI training jobs is here to stay. It is here to stay. So do not sleep on it. Do not sleep on it. So I thought to share this with you guys. I don't know who needs it. I don't know who needs it. Don't sleep on it. Share it with someone else who's interested in starting AI training job. Okay. Well, let me tell you a little bit. This platform called QuikrSignal is basically an AI-powered hiring platform designed to help companies find, screen, and interview candidates faster and more efficiently. And how it works, like I've explained, a company imputes job role like sales rep, software engineer, skills required, experience level. The system then starts sourcing candidates globally. That is why you need to fill in those details in your profile so that when the system starts sourcing candidates globally, they will match you with one. Then the AI finds and screens candidates instead of HR manually going through hundreds of CVs. AI is doing that. All right. Then it filters candidates based on skills, experience, and fit, removes noise from resumes, exaggerations. If you lie in your resume, they will figure it out. Although it might not be best if you're looking for entry level jobs, just give it a try. Check them out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, but keep applying. Keep applying. And for those of you that have seen your comments saying you've been accepted, I'm so happy for you. I'm genuinely happy for you. Just keep updating me. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one.